Hello everyone, welcome back to Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into Zable credit card. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. The Zable credit card is a Visa credit card that offers a reward program to its users. You can earn rewards for every purchase made with the card. It is also redeemable for various prizes and discounts. So if you want to log in and get access to your credit card account for Zable, then open up a web browser first. In the web address bar, type in zable.com/login. In the official website, type in your email address associated with your account. After doing so, click the login button. Open up the email sent to your email inbox and click on the link in order to log into your Zable account. That way, you'll be able to access your Zable credit card. But remember that in order to log in and access to your credit card account, you must apply for it. And once it is approved by the issuer, you'll be able to log in and access your credit card for Zable. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.